Hello dolls and gents, and welcome to an unboxing. I promise y'all they need to open these stores back up. We need to get back to work because I need to stop. Okay, so I'm going to start with, oh shoot, just trying to get out a little bit of light. Start with the first thing that came, and I think this is the hair oil that I ordered. Some of this stuff I ordered a while ago. Ooh, I just cut the top off of that. Wow. I'm going to have to transfer this to another bottle because I just cut the top off of that. Really couldn't see what I was cutting. That's why. But this is a Haitian castor oil. It's supposed to be different from the black Jamaican castor oil. It's supposed to be different from the black castor oil. I have to find another bottle because I cut the little top off. It's supposed to be pure Haitian castor oil, and it's supposed to be different. And they tell me the way that you know that it's the real one and not like from the stores and stuff is it stinks. It stinks a little bit. I do know that this person that I ordered from, they sometimes will put a little bit of lavender oil or a little bit of something in it to get that smell down some. So it says it's 100% pure Haitian castor oil. I'll have to get you guys where I ordered it from if the link is still there. It does stink a little bit, so I feel, if I can talk today, a little bit good about it. I do have Jamaican castor oil. I do have the black Jamaican castor oil. I also have some Haitian black castor oil for my beauty supply store. But I wanted pure castor oil, not touched by nothing. Okay, and according to one of my granddaughter's mother, Haitian, if it's a real one, it should stink. So that's why I got that one. Let's see what's in this one. Okay. And another reason I want to open this stuff is because I ordered some crystals and some jewelry. I've been getting kind of back into my crystals while I've been sitting home, and that's why I need to go back to work. Which I've been working, but off and on. Like today it's from home. So I'm going to unbox these, and I'm going to cleanse my crystals and stuff and get everything put up before I start working. This is the necklace that it came with. And I really want, what I was looking for and what you will see in this haul is I was looking for some really big crystals, some big crystal necklaces, some big crystals. Oh boy, I did that. Because I wanted something that I could wear every day. I want like 2 or 3 crystal necklaces that I can wear every day and keep that good energy and good aura around me. I have my crystal bracelets and beads that I wear. Some are just bracelets and some are crystal bracelets. But you guys, I wanted something big, and boy, look at here. Look at her. Oh my God, that's going to be freaking huge. That's gonna be freaking huge to wear to work, but it is what it is. I mean, you guys, this is about the size, if you want an estimate, of my finger. Look at her. And I definitely got her for the bling on top. Look at her. And she's going on this. I'm glad they gave me this type of necklace because I definitely need something heavy to wear her with. Wow, she's beautiful. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. And this one is the clear quartz crystal pendant. Yes, that one. So if you want to look it up. It also, around the top, has the hematite. The hematite around the top. So if you want to look that up. I mostly stick with clear quartz, rose quartz, jasper, tiger's eye. I stick with a lot of stuff to protect me. You will notice that I do that. This girl, okay, I'll put her in this video. I was going to give her her own video, but I have given her her own video before. I placed another order with her. The other video was a promo video, but since this was an order that I placed with her, I'll go ahead and put it in this one. And my son also ordered me an Apple Watch from this person, so I have something else coming from her. So once again, this young lady, her information will be down below. Y'all give me time to edit the video, okay, if you don't see the information. Rain on Me, I did a video for her before. She is on Instagram, Handmade with Love. Rain on Me. I got some beaded bracelets from her before, and she has started making anklets. She started making necklaces. She started making rings. She started making all kinds of stuff. So let me see which order this is. And yes, I did pay for this with my money. This isn't a promo one. I did give her some money for this. Some of the stuff is promoed, so you guys please go and support her, because some of this stuff she did promo to me. I did ask for this beaded bracelet with the Buddha. Can y'all see the? Y'all probably can't see Buddha's head. This beaded bracelet with the Buddha. She made me a ring, and this is a rose quartz, the ring that she made me. Here's the promos. She made me 2 anklets. One says Fearless, and it has the bling around it. Hopefully y'all can see it. I want to get them out the plastic and get everything put up. So an anklet that says Fearless with the bling around it. And then I also got from her another blinged out anklet. That's promoed. And then I did ask her for the bracelet with the OHM symbol on it. Can y'all see the OHM symbol? Like, I'm all about positivity and good luck, y'all. I'm all about positivity and good luck. So if you don't like that, you can click off this video. Everything I asked for is going to be positivity and good luck. So you can look up the meaning of the OHM. And then I also, and it's not a worshiping thing, it's just a good luck thing. And here is the other one I asked her for. And I just feel like if I have those good vibes around me, I'm surrounded by the goodness. And she got the size right. It does not fall off my wrist. I have very small wrists, and I always have to tell people that. And with these things not being adjustable, awesome. So she got the size right, which I knew she would. You guys, please, rainonmellc.com. I'm also going to put a link to her page down there again. She has Instagram. She has Facebook. She is quick. She is fast, okay? You will not be sitting around waiting weeks and weeks for your stuff. Guaranteed, you will not be sitting around waiting weeks and weeks for your stuff, okay? This one is from I think this is an Instagram or a Facebook page. This is why I need to get my butt in the office every day. Sapphire and Sage. Sapphire and Sage. Instagram or Facebook page. Look. This is paid for with my cash money. She sealed these real good. Got to be careful opening this stuff, because if you can't see like where to cut it, with some of the stuff being possibly breakable. I need a razor. Sorry, y'all, but one thing about this bubble wrap is you cannot cut it open. So I just go get a razor, because I'll be here all day trying to slip those scissors in there. So this was the first thing that I got, which I'll have to go on my page to get the quartz names for you guys, but this is an angel. That's an angel. And I'll have to go in there, like I said, to get the names for y'all. Or I can put it down below because I forget what the black one is. And like I said, everything that I order is for protection and good luck. So I'll have to see what that one is. And this one is rose quartz, which we all know is for love and prosperity. This is an owl. It's a carved rose quartz owl. And I think these were $10 each. And the good thing about these is they are pretty big, as you can see. I didn't order no like little tiny stones. These are pretty big. So this is a rose quartz owl. And this one is small. And I think this one was under $10. And I'll have to get which one this is, but this is a Buddha. And you can't see it, but it's blue. I think this was like blue jasper or blue tourmaline. I can't say the name, but I'll get it for you guys. But this one is blue, so it's not black. And he's a little bit smaller than the other ones, but I have to clean them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them and then put them up. So what did I order from her? Y'all, I don't even know. I got to be careful because I don't even know what I ordered, and I know some of the stuff that I ordered is fragile. So when you talk about being careful, I got to be careful. Everybody packaged everything very beautifully and very safely. I think we got 2 more, y'all, if you hang in there with me. The unpacking is on. I found this page on Instagram. Y'all, I'm about to get off Instagram. I found this page on Instagram. And honey to the gods, this baby right here. This baby right here. This baby right here. This is a necklace. And this is a blinged out quartz stone. This baby right here, okay? This right here is just as huge as the other one. So let me tell y'all, when I was looking for huge necklaces, I found it. Gotta clean her up, but yes. Now, what was this? I think this is the last one. Oh, I ordered this for my birthday. You know what? She didn't even send, oh, she must have put it on PayPal, because I was just about to email her when I finished this video. I was about to email her when I finished this video. Okay. I surely was about to email her. Now this is a beauty, okay? And this wasn't cheap. And this I had ordered for my birthday, but it took a long time because every single stone is hand placed. Do not drop, hand wash only, no extreme heat. Don't forget to share pictures with us. I definitely will. Creations by Stephanie V. If y'all can't see it, I'll put it down below. Probably can't. She's got, her card is very light. Creations by Stephanie V. She has a Facebook, Stephanie Valles, Valles. And this is my cup. Every single stone hand placed. Here's a straw. I'm like afraid of it. Oh, stainless steel. Everything will be kept hot or be kept cold. Screw off lid. I like that so I don't have to get stuff stuck under the you know, the lids that have the rubber and you get stuff stuck under there and you have to clean under it. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Like I said, not cheap but worth it. It is more beautiful in person than it is on this camera. I'll tell y'all that right now. Right now. Okay, so that is it. I have to tag everybody. I have to let everybody know that I got their stuff. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you have any questions, let me know. If I miss a tag on something that you want, let me know. Please go and support this lovely, lovely people, and I'll see you guys in the next video.